welcome to Trophy Mountain. Let's go get some birds.
No suspension.
Nope.
Ryan, how many years you been coming here?
At least 15.
Jesus fucking Christ.
At least 15. Yeah.
15 years.
I was him the other day.
Damn.
Remember when you were a kid, we'd go over to
Get your new coat on. He got a new coat. This is Friday, day before deer season. You guys coming in to get a couple bird hunts in.
It's crazy.
Ryan, where you? What town you from, Ryan?
Donegal.
Donegal.
Mountjoy.
Yeah.
Columbia.
Columbia.
Hemfield, which is Mountjoy.
Mountjoy.
Mountjoy. That's a long way to go.
Wrightsville.
Riceville. Holy shit.
Brand new.
Yeah. Did you hit anything?
We hit all sorts of
You said you're on camera, so I don't miss nothing.
Oh, no, I don't.
Yeah.
I have.
We'll get over and get a picture of you guys.
Hey, if they'd known you hit that GoPro, they'd be wanting to use it.
Oh, yeah.
I saw your channel there. You're on YouTube?
Yeah.
Cool. Wow, this was great. So we got them four-wheelers on. I think we got behind them before, right?
Yeah. Yeah, get in there behind. Where are you guys from?
We're from State. I'm from State College, and the other guys are from Raleigh and New Jersey.
Oh, yeah? They come up to hunt with you every Thanksgiving?
Yep.
They do? And what do you have, a winery?
We have a winery up there, yeah.
Yeah.
But we love to shoot pheasants and chuckers and quail.
Well, maybe we'll do a quail hunt someday.
We did like 2 years ago.
Did you? Do you like that?
Yeah.
All right. Hey,
Okay.
thanks for coming, guys. Yeah, we better slow down us here. Let them guys keep up. Okay, hey, we got Tom Barr here today with two of his buddies come in for deer hunting. Tom, what do? You have a business? You take people hunting, right?
I do, buddy. That's a trick question. What do I do?
What's he do? Yeah,
do whatever I got to do to pay the bills. But I've been guiding and outfitting for probably close to 30 years, believe it or not.
Yeah.
In my early 20s, I patented a bow and arrow holder. Got into the outdoor industry. Started filming actually. Then we got into some outdoor television, and then just started guiding and outfitting, and been still doing it for many, many years. And met Conrad out at an event in Kentucky, and he and his boy's active military. He's just home for a few days, serving our country, and they wanted to do some hunting for first time ever. And I said, let's go. That's what it's all about there. They're all fired up. So we went through. This has been a year into planning, and it's pretty cool to see it come to fruition. And there he is passing the heritage down. So we're getting these guys hooked now. So we're ready, buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah. The Pennsylvania whitetail. Antler restrictions, we've been in it, probably 20, 25, I don't know how many years it's been, 20 years at least, I'd say.
It seems to be working.
Definitely working. Seeing some nice deer, and, hopefully we'll have some luck this week, get these guys their first deer.
Yeah, what's his name, the boy in the military?
Michael.
Michael.
Sure.
You're on YouTube.
Oh,
What branch of the military you in?
Army.
Army?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Where are you stationed at?
Green Bay, Wisconsin right now.
Oh, yeah? You like?
Yeah, I was at Fort Bragg.
No, you were?
Yep. It was a good time.
You infantry?
No, I was not.
What are you?
Signal communications, yeah. So
That's good. Well, thanks for your service.
I appreciate the
Is
support.
that your dad back there?
Yeah, it is my dad.
What's his name?
Conrad.
Conrad. Say hello to the people on YouTube.
Hello to the people on YouTube.
So you first time hunting with Tommy?
Yeah, well, ever.
Yeah? Well,
Yeah, this is something we've been.
yeah, Tommy's a good boy. I've known Tommy for about 3 months now.
It only took him $10 for him to say something nice about me.
I don't know, man. Tommy's been friends for a long time.
Long time. Been hunting together for many, many years, decades.
Yeah, so Glad to have you guys here. And thanks again for your military service there.
Thank you for the support.
All righty, boys.
We're thankful, buddy. Thanks for having us.
Uh-huh.
See you, pal.
Thanks for the tips. I'm learning a lot here.
Are ya?
Last 10 minutes, yeah.
Oh, boy, and education's expensive, I can tell you that. He said, I'll meet you over there, boys.
Well, they're old shells. I want to get rid of them.
They're all. And plus, you were using 2 different kinds. What's up with that?
Well, some of them are
One was
Yeah,
a 20
yeah,
gauge
yeah.
and one was a 12 gauge.
I had to get a pumpkin bomb.
Oh my
He had to hit that with a pumpkin bomb.
Right, 1970.
The Western Auto. Yeah, good luck finding a Western Auto today.
We used to go to Western Auto. We used to get a box of shells that one of them round motherfuckers used to sit on.
I think they were $3.59 a box.
That's what cheap is now.
Slide on it. I was gonna say I don't have to put my arm around this guy.
Yeah, put on. French kiss him, will you? How'd the hunt go today, boys?
Beautiful.
Good time always.
Great hunt.
Yep, always a great
Like I said, next year 10 degrees warmer.
All right, we'll do that.
I don't know. I would have sweated my ass off.
Thanks for the cigar, guys.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
I hope y'all get a deer tomorrow.
Oh, here we go.
thank you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Another picture.
Yeah, I hope y'all get a deer.
Said hi.
Terry, tell me how much you love this hunt on Thanksgiving.
There's nothing better than hunting with my boys and my brother.
I don't know about your brother
Well, I don't know
there.
about my brother. Oh, jeez. No, we're talking. We're gonna make this a tradition. This Thanksgiving Day hunt. We
Yeah.
love it.
That's good.
We've been doing it for a couple years, and we just really enjoy it.
Who does the most hitting? Do the boys hit most of them?
I don't care if I ever hit it. As long as the boys get to shoot, that's all I care
Exactly.
about.
That's all it's about. So, yeah, look here. Come on, take your hair's all messed up. Fix it up there a little, will you, buddy? Yeah, fix that hair up. All right, guys, we'll get ready and we'll see you guys out in the field here.
Nice and easy walking out here, Thomas. Yeah. Put me in the middle, huh?
You could come out here too and shoot.
Bert, I hear it.
This guy here banged him.
This is my second.
Well, that's the way we're going up around. Then we're going to hunt all. Then we're going to hunt all that.
I swear I just heard one right in front of me.
It might be. It could be.
I just heard a
He's right there in front of you there.
Oh, get ready to kick him up.
Keep walking. Walk right in on that, right in front of his nose there.
There you go. Walk back. Go get it.
Get in there and get him, bud. Going up that way.
Cody, easy. It's probably in the quick grass. He's looking straight. Well, I thought I seen one run right behind Tommy back there. Yeah, it came in the grass. Not behind it. He's probably trying to get ahead of it.
Right here. Right in here, guys.
Find the truck. Find the truck.
Nice shot there, young man. Alrighty, boys, that's our Thanksgiving Day hunt. Terry, how'd you guys do?
We did great.
How'd them boys shoot yours?
They did great. They
Yeah.
all did outstanding.
How about Mark? Did he do all right?
My slingshot broke.
No, his slingshot broke. Hey,
Yeah,
thank
we
you.
had another great hunt.
Thanks for coming out Thanksgiving morning, boys. See you on our YouTube channel, all right?
See you
Great
next
one.
year
Yeah.
on Thanksgiving.
All right, see you Thanksgiving next year.
All right, sounds like a plan.